Hi everyone, I'm Rox from Prosperous Marketing Team. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software tools to help you grow your business. Welcome to the associate level of the Prosper in a Training Certification series. Previously, we taught you about customer loyalty. For this lesson, we'll discuss multi-channel e-commerce, why it matters, and how it helps you sell online successfully. Multi-channel e-commerce is the practice of selling products in more than one place online. It involves the use of different channels like social media, online marketplaces, e-commerce websites, and more. The main importance of this practice is to enable customers to purposefully find your business, products, and services in as many relevant places as possible in the most profitable way. So, how can you be a successful multi-channel seller? Follow these steps. Number 1. Identify your buyer persona. Creating a profile of your target audience helps you to determine which channels you should prioritize and focus on. We created a separate lesson for this. Please watch the previous training course about buyer personas by clicking the link in the description box below. The information you gather on your buyer personas can also be used to create the proper tone and messaging that they can understand and want to engage with. Number 2. The right branding for the right channel. Displaying your brand consistently on all your channels is important, but displaying the right brand message to achieve a specific business goal is more important. It's actually easy to be consistent. Just use the same brand identity on all your profiles, including logo, company name, design elements, and the tone of your messaging. The best way to explain how to have the right brand message for the right business goal is to give you a real-life example. Many brands like Kate Spade and Nike have an outlet store and a premium store. That means they don't sell the exact same products in both stores, and the prices are different. So brands like Kate Spade and Nike either sell their old stock or a different variant that's more affordable at outlet malls. Why? Because it's a different type of buyer and the outlet store serves a different business purpose. Experienced retailers know that the purpose of an outlet store is to provide consumers with low bargain prices. In the online world, you should do the same. Online marketplaces like Facebook, Foodpanda, GrabFood, Lazada, and Shopee are designed like outlet stores but online. So they're outlets to give consumers a place to find the lowest priced products. That's not a bad thing. You should just recognize that and use online marketplaces for the right business purpose of acquiring new customers. So, since customers are shopping on marketplaces to find the lowest priced products, only publish and list loss leader, promotional, or lowest priced variants of your products to gain the sale of a new customer. Then, when they see your brand, or if your online store is connected to your Facebook shop, customers will see your other more valuable, premium, and higher priced products and be enticed to buy those. As a result, you've properly used an online marketplace to acquire a new customer, increased the likelihood of customers buying more profitable products from you, encouraged customers to buy from you directly, possibly increased your profits by reducing the high transaction fees that you pay online marketplaces if the customer comes back to your online store. Number 3. Integrate your inventory. A good feature of having your own online store is being able to synchronize your products between different selling channels. Whenever your customer wants to buy your product from another channel, let's say Facebook, they'll be able to see the same quantity and variants available on your Facebook shop as they appear on the website. Promoting in-stock items in an integrated multi-channel platform enables you to increase consumer trust and create a competitive advantage by offering a better shopping experience. Number 4. Multi-channel support. Offering customer support is giving customers a means to reach your business to ask questions and send inquiries. In turn, they receive support through assistance and answers. Some of the ways to do this include chatbots on your online store and social media, email and SMS support, creating group chats, having FAQs available on your profiles, providing your contact information. Examples of multi-channel chat support include software like ManyChat for Facebook Messenger. This helps you manage customer support across all your sales channels. Being able to provide good support fosters customer loyalty and customer retention, so having multi-channel support helps your customers stay connected with your business. That's it for this lesson. Here's a refresher to help you remember. Identify your buyer persona, the right branding for the right channel, integrate your inventory, multi-channel support. And with that, you have successfully completed the associate level of the Prosperna Training Certification Series. Congratulations! You are now ready for the professional level. Stay tuned because we'll be proceeding to the second level of the training course in the following week. For more online resources, visit our website at www.prosperna.com. See you at our next training course. Happy selling!